What's going to happen to our y's if we multiply everything by -2? We're going to eliminate. We are going to eliminate the y's if we multiply the whole top equation by -2. Because -2 plus a positive 2y, I'm sorry, -2y and a positive 2y cancel out. They eliminate. Okay? That's what we're after. So, if you multiply that whole top equation by -2, you're going to come up with a -4x, -2y, -46. Okay? Does everybody see that? If you multiply that whole top equation by -2, you're going to get this -4x plus 2y equals a -46. Okay? Does everybody see that connection?
Wouldn't it be -2y?
Yep. I hate that. There's that cursor's right there. It's frozen. Let me do this. See how it's still there? That's the mouse. So I'll just move that equation over there. So same thing. If you multiply the whole top equation by -2, everything, you get -4x, -2y, -46. Now, we're going to keep the bottom equation the exact same. So we're not even going to mess with that. There's no need to. There is no need to, because after we have lined these up and we stack them up, if we add these values together, those y's cancel out. They eliminate. They're gone. Okay? So they're gone. You can go ahead and mark an X through them. Okay, so they're gone. -4x, positive 3x, what we got? -1x equals -46, positive 37, -9. Last thing we would have to do is divide both sides by -1. -9, -1, positive 9. You divide those, okay? So it's still elimination, but it's elimination with multiplication. Okay, you have to eliminate either x or y right off the bat. Okay? Now, guys, we're not done yet, because once we have the x value, we need the other half to this. We need the y value. Now, it looks like the easier equation to substitute this in. This x equals 9, probably just the second one. That's okay. How did we get -2, or why did we come up with -2? Because that's a 2y.
I thought it was because it's 2x on the inside or on the top equation. But you only multiplied it by that equation.
No, the reason why we multiplied by 2 and -2, because we looked at these two x's and y's, which one would be really easy to cancel out? Well, if this was a -2y, they would cancel out. Okay, and we'll go over some more examples. All right. We got to figure out the y value. So we could substitute, or we could insert what we have for x. We're going to plug in this 9. Let's plug it in that second equation. Let's solve for y. Okay? So I'm going to come over here.
What do you say you do plug it in?
Yeah, we're just going to plug in, for x, we're going to plug in 9. Okay.
Would you when you multiply, would you put your x, or would you just keep it like as a number?
No, all I did was plug in 9 for x.
No, I'm talking about the purple, like where you right there.
Oh.
You plug that in, does it become a 27x or just 27?
Just 27. 9 times 3 just gives me 27.
So you can solve for the y?
Yep. Okay. We would have to minus 27 from both sides now. Okay. Solving for y. 2y equals 10. Divide both sides by 2. Y equals 5. So we decided we're going to multiply that top equation by -3. Guys, make sure when you multiply the whole thing. Okay? The whole equation. So that now, we're going to have a negative 3x, a negative 21y, and a negative 36. All right? Multiply that whole top equation by negative 3. We're going to leave the bottom equation the exact same. No need to change it. Okay? Now remember, stack them up and add them up. Okay? Right off the bat, you should notice that your x's are going to cancel. Negative 3x, positive 3x, they're gone. They are gone. You eliminated them. Okay? Got rid of them. Now, 21y plus a negative 5y. Well, that's just going to give me negative 26y. Equals negative 36 plus a positive 10 gives me a negative 26. Not all at once. Gives me a negative 26. And the last step that we would have to do is divide both sides by negative. Hey. See how easy this method is? Simple. Probably not. The last part to this is we got to figure out what x equals. We got half of it. We did all the hard work. Okay? We've done all the hard work. Now, which equation, it doesn't matter which one you plug it in. Does not matter. Which one you guys want to do?
The bottom one.
The bottom one? You want to just go and do this one? That's okay. So we're going to plug in 1 for y right here. Okay?
I'm going to just go ahead and put like the negative 5 and then go ahead and put the parentheses around 1. And then I'll write the equation around it.
Yeah, it don't matter. It's okay. So all we did right there is plug in 1 for y. 5 times 1 is going to give me 5. Add 5 to both sides. And lastly, divide both sides by 3. X equals 5. So we got x and we got y.